Do you want to know how to enable or disable app icon badges on your Samsung phone? Hey everybody, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to share 2 simple methods to enable or disable app icon badges on your phone. Let's jump right in. Method 1. First, open up the settings, scroll down a little bit, then tap on home screen. Scroll down again. Here, you will find the app icon badges option. Gently toggle on to enable it, or if you want to disable it, then simply toggle it off. Method 2. In this method, I will show you how to enable and disable app icon badges for any specific app like the Message app. To do that, back to the home screen. Press and hold on the Message app, then tap on the eye icon. After that, tap on Notifications. Under the notification type, you will see the badge option. Now tap on it to enable, and then tap on it to disable. And that wraps up for today, folks. If you have anything to know, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in.